Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making those tough purchasing decisions a little bit easier and a lot more fun. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. And not just any drones, we're talking about the DEERC D70 and the SOTAONE S350. Two drones enter, one drone leaves. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes your wallet cry. Price. The DEERC D70 is priced at a cool $79, while the SOTAONE S350 is a bit more wallet-friendly at $59. So if you're on a budget, the SOTAONE S350 might already be winning this round. Next, let's see how easy these bad boys are to fly. The DEERC D70 promises you'll be a drone master in just 10 minutes, with features like one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Perfect for beginners. On the flip side, the SOTAONE S350 also boasts some beginner-friendly features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff, landing, and even a 3-speed mode. It's like the Mario Kart of drones. Fun and easy to handle. Reviewers find both drones quite user-friendly, but some had initial difficulties linking the SOTAONE's camera app. Now, let's talk about capturing those Instagram-worthy shots. Both drones have a 1080p HD camera. The DEERC D70 brags about its Wi-Fi real-time transmission, which is great for instant sharing. Reviewers note the camera quality is decent, but not exceptional. The SOTAONE S350, on the other hand, has a 90 degrees manually adjustable angle, allowing for more flexibility in your shots. Reviewers generally find the camera decent, but note the fixed angle can be limiting. Both are fairly matched here, but remember, your photo skills will be the real deciding factor. Alright, let's see which drone brings the fun to the party. The DEERC D70 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones, with features like voice control, gesture selfie, throw to go, 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. It's basically a flying circus. Reviewers love the variety of features it offers. The SOTAONE S350 also brings a lot to the table, with 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotation, fixed-point circle fly, and even VR mode. It's like having a tiny flying amusement park in your hands. Reviewers appreciate its fun features and consider it a great option for beginners. Both drones have foldable designs, making them super portable. The DEERC D70 fits in your pocket, which is great if you want to impress your friends with your pocket-sized technology. Reviewers note its compact size as a plus. The SOTAONE S350 is also compact, but adds an extra layer of safety with propeller guards and a low-power alarm. Reviewers find it sturdy and safe, making it a good choice for kids. Overall, reviewers find the DEERC D70 to be a durable and feature-packed drone that's great for beginners, although some have experienced issues with Wi-Fi transmission and camera quality. The SOTAONE S350 is considered a good starter drone with a variety of fun features, although its fixed camera angle and shorter battery life are noted. Both drones offer great value for their respective price points. So there you have it, folks. The DEERC D70 and the SOTAONE S350. Two drones that offer a ton of features for their price points. Whether you're a rookie pilot or a seasoned flyer, both of these drones have something to offer. If you're ballin' on a budget, the SOTAONE might be your go-to. But if you're looking for a drone that's packed with features and you're willing to spend a bit more, the DEERC D70 might be your new best friend. Remember, drones are like relationships. It's all about finding the right one that fits your needs. So make sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more Buy Smart comparisons, and drop a comment below to let us know which drone you think wins this battle. Until next time, fly smart. Buy smart. Product links are in the description.